Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So on what we talked about yesterday, I was saying that we are going to get this move all the way to the upside. But if you look at this resistance level that I have spoken about here for quite some time now, this resistance level has been acting as a barrier for this not to continue all the way to the upside. And I've been looking at this resistance level very, very well. And then looking back to what I talked about on the monthly time frame, having seen that doji candlestick which appeared sometime 2 months ago. This was the month of May, and then last month we had a really, really nice pin bar, which was also another major confluence on us looking for for long opportunities. And then back here on the weekly time frame, we had a very, very close push to the downside. This was a push from this level resistance 3453.820. So looking at what we have here from the weekly time frame, I instructed that we're looking for bullish reversal from this low all the way to from this low. I think we have a Fibonacci setup from this lower low all the way to the last high which the market made around 3500. And also we had another Fibonacci on the daily time frame, which was also another major turnaround for gold, looking for that opportunity all the way to the upside, which was from this low all the way to the upside. But currently, according to what I said earlier, if you look at this, when you look at this whole movement that we've had here, if at all this market wasn't to continue up, at least would have broken this high back here in second week of June, which was a major one for us to look for long opportunities. This was also one among the reasons why I was looking for long opportunities on gold, because as we have it here now, gold is still ranging between this level and then this level. Gold came into that Fibonacci around the 0.50 and then also the 0.618 fib extension, and then made that rejection. That first impression which gold made along this area was what got my own interest in trading gold longs. But as it stands now, gold is still well below this resistance level around 3360, which is also another major barrier that we could see gold continue down back into this support level around 3200, and then potentially we see gold coming all the way to 2967, approximately $3,000 per ounce. So just to remind you guys that anything can still happen in the market. I've spoken about this resistance level, that if this market got above this resistance level, then I will start looking for more long opportunities. But as it stands now, I have no positions open on gold. I had to close the one I sent out this morning because I didn't like the way the market was just consolidating below this resistance. And moreover, we had that bearish engulfing Wednesday market price, and then I think we had this Fibonacci from this swing high all the way to this swing low. The market came into that 0.50 fib extension. You can see how I drew it, 0.50 fib extension, and then we had that first rejection. So currently now the market is still sitting well below that resistance, and we should be very, very cautious going long on this. The market is still well below that resistance, and all I can say is we should wait for the market to break this resistance level. Once this resistance level is cleared, I spoke about this extensively previously. Once this resistance level is broken, then I see no absolute reason why we shouldn't see gold coming all the way to its all-time highs that we have around 34,560, and then we also have around 3500. So this is my own prediction for gold and what we are currently looking at for on gold.